Hi, it's Mallu Safe Kaka with you. Today I'm going to reset this Ava cabinet lock, Chubb. Nowadays this lock is not that much available, also expensive. Let's see how to reset it. If you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe it. Press the bell icon also. There's 9 lever inside this lock. Let's check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then try it before put it inside. I cut one body for this. It's for check. See. So you can check it properly. See. If you put the correct level, it should rotate. This is the mechanism. There is spring and one washer inside. First you have to put this one, then this washer. It's already inside. And then keep it like this. Push it inside. See. Then you have to put this stopper. From here. Then try it. And put the latch. And press it and turn it. then put the back cover. Put the pen back. Ready to use it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe it. If there is any fault in my video or suggestion, come to my comment box. Thank you for the support. Thank you.